Hello there. Today we'll talk about dynamic NFTs. Wait, what the hell? Okay, so non-fungible tokens or NFTs have exploded into the public consciousness in recent months, expanding and even challenging our common concept of digital scarcity and ownership. NFTs had taken over Twitter feeds and Clubhouse chat rooms even before Beeple's now famous $69 million NFT artwork that made news for an eye-popping Christie's auction, with many artists, game designers, and celebrities believing that this new technology will utterly disrupt their businesses. Since the March frenzy, a lot has changed in the realm of non-fungible tokens. Everyone was talking about NFTs at the time, and headlines like "What are the NFTs? Is NFT art a bubble?" Beeple were all over the internet. You get my drift. Smart contracts in general have no access outside of their network. This means that data on a blockchain cannot be modified until the item, typically a smart contract, is burned and a new one is created with the updated data. Now, getting back to NFTs, a non-fungible token, in case you didn't know, is a smart contract itself, which means an NFT is liable to the same issues that ordinary smart contracts face, being isolated from the outside world. Enter the oracles. In the blockchain realm, what is an oracle? It's a service that feeds validated and up-to-date data into smart contracts, causing them to alter state. This greatly expands the scope of what you can do with the blockchain. What this means for NFTs? Well, this means huge success for NFTs. This means that NFTs become dynamic. This means that they can change based on a new batch of data that is provided to them by oracles. Many NFTs, especially those that are collected through randomized drops, such as virtual trading cards or in-game items, gain a significant amount of their value through their perceived rarity. As one of the largest NFT projects, Ethercards recently made clear randomness is one of the key elements to creating value and fun within gamified NFTs. Oracle-powered randomness is already in use by several NFT platforms and blockchain-based dApps that require provably random inputs for running on-chain lotteries, distributing unique digital collectibles, and assigning rare attributes that increase the value of NFTs. This immediately clears that there are two types of NFTs now. So apart from the traditional NFTs that you have seen for so long, there are physical NFTs and dynamic NFTs available now. Dynamic NFTs are possible because of the oracles like Chainlink, which can provide data available outside the smart contract and run a specific function, thereby updating the NFT based on that data. For example, NFT on async art called Masked by the artist Big Comic lets owner have dynamic control over the color settings on each individual layer. Layers are hidden behind a mask, which will slowly disappear or reappear as COVID-19 statistics are projected through the Johns Hopkins Coronavirus Resource Center statistics in real time. How incredible is that? That's your dynamic NFT. You can absolutely go nuts with this concept, and let us know in the comments about your favorite dynamic NFT idea. Let's also talk about physical NFTs a little bit. So what's a physical NFT? It works like this. You buy the NFT on an NFT marketplace, then the creators send you a host of physical collectibles. For example, a signed print, a unique video, a photo, and much more. Another cool example of how physical NFTs are changing the scenario is, for example, Steve Aoki's Dreamcatcher in collaboration with Anthony Tedesco along with the digital file. Here is what you get. Infinite Objects is the first video printer company. They make amazingly permanent treated displays called video print. One video looping forever, as they love to say. I think the majority of the crowd should now believe that NFTs are much more than a bubble. As you have seen already, non-fungible tokens are here to stay. Of course, there have been challenges, criticism, and skepticism, but that is to be expected when anything new emerges from the grey bubble of the already seen ocean. Many things are changing from dynamic NFTs to physical NFTs. The market is growing and finding new stability, not to mention how many firms are using NFTs to manage their supply chains and the thriving NFT real estate world. If you are a developer and are looking to build NFTs, be sure to check out the links below. These are some really great tutorials using Polygon Matic mainnet by Neha Yadav, and another one on Dynamic NFTs using Rinkeby testnet by Patrick Collins. Go bonkers! But before that, like, share and subscribe. It really helps the channel. Thanks for watching and have a great day.